is a balloon mortgage? That certainly is a strange word to use, but it is a legally defined term, and it means a mortgage wherein there is a payment that is twice the amount of the regular payments that are paid. The best way to illustrate this is, let's say that you have a $100,000 mortgage and you set the payments up so that it would be paid out over a period of 30 years. So let's say the payments are $500 a month, and we won't go into the interest rate, but you pay $500 a month for 5 years, and then the note says it becomes due and payable in 5 years. Well, you haven't paid off the note, the $100,000 in the 5-year period, so after 5 years they'll still be owed probably $60,000 or $70,000 or $80,000 on the $100,000, and that's called the balloon payment. So that's the illustration or an example of a balloon payment, which is whenever you have regular periodic payments and then you have a very large payment that becomes due and payable. Most of your commercial mortgages these days also set up a balloon payment. They spread your mortgage payments out over a 15 or 20 year period, but they say the loan becomes due and payable after 3 or 5 years. And certainly if you have investors involved, that could be the case with residential property whenever you have owner financing. If you use a balloon mortgage in a residential property and it's a second mortgage, then the statutes provide that you must have certain bold-faced language at the top of the mortgage and also above the signature page indicating this is a balloon mortgage and setting forth the amount of the balloon payment. And that's so it's basically consumer protection type situation, so someone can't say, well, oh, I thought I'd have this thing paid off in 5 years. Well, if there's a principal balance above your above where you sign it, well, you've got to sort of be blind in one eye and can't see out of the other if you can see that the principal balance is not going to be paid off when the loan becomes due and payable, since they set forth a balloon payment. There are some penalties if this language is not on the second mortgage on a residential transaction. So that's a balloon mortgage. If you have any questions about it, well, give me a call at 727-847-2288. Thank you.